Hi friends, welcome to Pip's Kitchen. Look at these yummy ABC pancakes. Today we'll spell and flip together. Remember, always cook with a grown-up helper. We need batter, fruit, and a squeeze bottle. Pip is ready with the squeeze bottle. Here's our pan. Let's get started. What letter is this? Can you guess? Pip is thinking too. It's A. A is for apple. Here comes another letter. What could it be? Point to the screen if you know. It's B. 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 B is for ball. Ooh, this one looks curvy. Are you ready to see the flip? It's C. C is for cat. C-A-T spells cat. Say it with me. Cat. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Make it colorful. Which letter should Pip cook next?